Definition of word reference. Pengertian rujukan kata. Reference is a word that is used to refer to something or to get further information. Some of the frequently used references what are he, they, that, he, that, her, and many more. Kata rujukan adalah sebuah kata yang digunakan untuk mengacu pada suatu hal atau untuk mendapatkan keterangan lebih lanjut. Beberapa kata rujukan yang sering digunakan yaitu dia, mereka, itu, beliau, dia, tersebut, di sini, dan masih banyak lagi jenis kata rujukan. Categories.
Word reference. Jenis-jenis rujukan kata. 1. Anaphoric reference, which occurs when a pronoun or word or phrase indicates something that is earlier than a sentence. Reference word as in the reference column in the tab. Anaphoric reference yaitu terjadi ketika kata ganti atau kata atau frasa menunjukkan sesuatu yang lebih awal dari sebuah kalimat. Kata-kata rujukannya seperti pada kolom di bawah ini. It or its refers to single noun before. She or her or hers refers to single female person before. He or his or him refers to single male person before. They or their or theirs refers to plural nouns before. This or that refers to noun or phrase or clause or sentence before. There or here refers to place before. Notes. It as a single noun pronoun, for example, replacing a cat, the photo, my camera, the dream or organization, the boy's activity. He as a male pronoun, for example, replacing a boy, a photographer, a cameraman, Andy, my brother, an actor. C. They as a pronoun for more than one person or thing. For example, replacing some cats, two photos, calendars, peoples, Andy and Jono, my brothers, our activities. Catatan. It sebagai kata ganti atau pronoun benda tunggal, misalnya menggantikan satu kucing, foto, kameraku, mimpi, organisasi, aktivitas laki-laki, dan lain-lain. He sebagai kata ganti orang laki-laki, misalnya menggantikan satu orang laki-laki, satu orang fotografer, satu orang kameramen, Andi, saudaraku laki-laki, aktor, dan lain-lain. C. They sebagai kata ganti orang atau benda yang lebih dari satu, misalnya menggantikan banyak kucing, dua foto, banyak kalender, banyak orang, Andi dan Jono, saudaraku laki-laki banyak aktivitas, dan lain-lain. Example. Risa went to the cinema. She was annoyed because it was closed. Berdasarkan contoh di atas, dapat kita ketahui bahwa yang menunjukkan pronoun yaitu she dan it. She refers to Risa and it refers to the cinema. Posisi she menunjukkan Risa, sedangkan it menunjukkan the cinema. Penjelasan dari Risa dan the cinema lebih awal dari pronounnya, yaitu she dan it. Itu sendiri yaitu berada di awal kalimat. Posisi ini disebut dengan anaphoric reference.
This reference, which occurs when a pronoun, word or phrase is mentioned after the first sentence. The reference words are as in the table below. Categories reference, yaitu terjadi ketika sebuah pronoun, word atau phrase disebutkan setelah kalimat pertama. Kata-kata rujukannya seperti pada di tabel di bawah ini. It plus be plus n. It refers to the noun. It plus modal plus be plus n is refers to the noun. It plus has plus been plus n is refers to the noun. There is plus n. It refers to the noun. There are plus n. it refers to the noun. There will be plus be. It refers to the noun. Example, even though I call her every week, my mother still complain that I don't get in touch often enough. Berdasarkan contoh di atas, dapat kita ketahui bahwa here refers to my mother. Penjelasan dari my mother terletak setelah kalimat pertama, maka posisi seperti disebut dengan categories reference. Pronoun, word, or phrase so is not maintained in the sentence. That is, the person involved in the sentence is not maintained, but the reader already know who the pronoun, word, or phrase is. Example, I told her that she could find it on a map. But you know who she is. She and her refers to person not ever mentioned within the sentence. It refers to a place not ever mentioned within the sentence. Pada kalimat di atas, kita tidak menemukan siapa penjelasan pronoun itu karena tidak disebutkan. Pada kalimat penjelasan pronounnya tidak disebutkan. Namun pembaca atau penulis telah mengetahui siapa itu her, she, dan it. Ketika kita tidak menemukan penjelasan dari pronoun, maka kalimat tersebut disebut dengan exoporis reference.
Example in Islamic banking text. Contoh dalam teks perbankan syariah. Based on the text above, there are two reference words, namely it. It first refers to the word draw convenient sampling. The second it refers to the word the sovereign. Quiz. What is the difference between anaphoric, cataphoric, and exophoric reference? 2. Hasna went to the bank. She was annoyed because it was closed. What does the underlined word refer to? 3. Although I always reject his calls, Tom still calls me every day. 4. They are late again. Can you believe it? 5. The word adoption means to take or follow by choice or by consent. In marketing, it adduces to how well buyers can get an item or service, and additionally, how they utilize the item or service later on. What does the underlined word refers to?